Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're trying to find the functions f of g, g of f of f, and g of g, and to find their domains. So the first thing to notice is that we have two polynomials here, whose domain is all real numbers. Therefore, the domains of all their compositions that we have here is also going to be all real numbers. So first we have f of g. So this is f of 1 minus 4x, since that is g of x. So we just have to plug this in. We have 1 minus 4x cubed plus 2. You can simplify this if you want. However, this is the function f of g. For b, g of f, we're taking g of f of x, which is x cubed plus 2. Therefore, we're plugging this into x in g of x. So we have 1 minus 4 times x cubed plus 2. This is simple enough where I will just simplify it. So we have 1 minus 4 times x cubed, and negative 4 times 2 is minus 8. So this is minus 4x cubed minus 7. C, we're doing f of f. So therefore, this is f of x cubed plus 2. So we're plugging it in to f. So this is x cubed plus 2 cubed plus 2. And again, this is something that's, you can simplify this, right? It's not too difficult, it'll just take some time. But the reason that I'm not simplifying it is because distributing this out is not going to give us any more information about the function that we do not already have. We know the domain, we know how to calculate it, we just plug in whatever value we have right here. And turning this into 4 different terms is not going to make it easier to calculate. So that's why I'm not doing it here, but for this easier one right here, it makes it a little bit simpler to look at. And finally, g of g, this is g of x, which itself is 1 minus 4x. So therefore, we have 1 minus 4 times g of x, 1 minus 4x. Therefore, we have 1 minus 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16x. So you have 16x. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So therefore, we have f of g, g of f of f, and g of g, all of which have a domain of all real numbers from negative infinity to infinity, for f of x is equal to x cubed plus 2, and g of x is equal to 1 minus 4 of x.